How to find your Binance ID. If you wish to find your Binance ID, it is fairly simple for us to do so. Your Binance ID or user ID can be used for various ways. For example, if someone wants to locate you on Binance, and in order to find your ID, open up the Binance app and make sure to log into your respective account. After you do that, this is the interface you will see. Tap on the Binance logo located at the top left corner of the screen. Here you'll find your name. Right above your name you can see ID, which is a random series of numbers. So that number is basically our ID. Now if you want to copy it, tap on your name, you'll come here and you'll see your ID and registration email right here. If you want to copy your ID, you can tap the copy button to copy your Binance ID. That's all it takes for us to copy and find our Binance ID. I hope that this video helped you out. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down in the comments below. As always, thanks for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.